In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a group in Gmail. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner for the Google Apps icon. It's the grid made up of 9 small dots. Click that to open the app launcher. From the panel that appears, select Contacts. This will take you to Google Contacts, which is where Gmail stores and organizes all your people. In Contacts, we'll start by creating the person you want to add to a group. Click Create Contact, then choose the option to create a single person. This opens a contact form where you can fill in their details and assign them to a group. In Google Contacts, groups are called labels. Assigning a label is what makes it easy to email a group later. Before you fill everything out, click the Label section on the contact form. Pick the label that represents the group you want this person in. If you already use labels for things like team, family, or clients, you'll see them here. Select the one that fits. You can also start typing to quickly find the right label. If you're not sure yet, you can skip this and add the label after saving. But doing it now keeps everything tidy from the start. Now add the person's information. Type their first name, then their last name. If it's helpful for your organization, add a company name and a job title. These make searching and filtering easier later. Next, enter an email address and a phone number. The email is especially important if you plan to email the group, since Gmail uses that to deliver messages. Double-check for typos here. A quick review now saves headaches later. When everything looks good, click Save. Google Contacts will create the contact and apply the label you selected, effectively adding them to that group. To confirm it worked, return to your main contacts view. You should see the new contact listed. You'll also notice the label indicator on their profile, which shows they're part of the group you chose. If you want to verify by group, you can open the label from the sidebar and confirm the contact appears inside that labeled list. That's it. You've added a contact and placed them into a group in Gmail using Google Contacts. From here, you can repeat the process for more people, and when you're ready to email the group, just use the label name in Gmail's To field to address everyone at once.